I believe in aspiring to do better. I think we can see ways to joyfully, artfully improve the world that we're in and ourselves. My name is Topaz Terry, and I am the maker-in-chief of BicycleTrash. I got interested in upcycling bicycle parts about 4 years ago. After a flat tire and a tune-up, I finally thought to ask my mechanic, what happens to the stuff that comes off of my bike when you repair it? When they can, they get it recycled. And when they can't afford to, because they actually pay to get it recycled, they throw it away. And I thought that was ridiculous. And so as a hobby, I started collecting the things that came off of my bike after repairs and making stuff. I happened to make a bottle opener that became very popular, that pushed me into thinking about starting a small business. And the more I made, the more I wanted to make. The more I saw an opportunity to make stuff out of the rubber, out of the metal. About 2 years ago, I actually got laid off, and I saw it as an opportunity to try and put more energy into BicycleTrash to see if it could sustain itself. And I'm happy to say that 2 years later it has. People's response to what I was doing was so positive. BicycleTrash is the first time I've made something that other people value. Taking a bicycle part and making something vastly different that was cool in its own right, I think sparked something in other people, and thinking about how we think about trash. That really surprised me and very much excited me, which got me to make other things. I think this has been a lifelong craft pursuit of mine. What I do see is BicycleTrash and the idea of using waste to make high quality products moving forward and expanding. When I'm in the studio and I make something and then I get to hold the finished product in my hand, I get to think that this is a job well done.